Candy AI is a virtual companion app designed to let you create lifelike AI partners and chat them in text, images, and even voice. The idea is very simple. You customize traits, looks, and personalities, and Candy AI becomes a personalized chatbot that feels more engaging than a basic assistant. It is marketed as a way to relieve stress, practice conversations, or just have fun with your um, digital partner. So the app runs on a freemium model, meaning you can try it for free, but most of the features are locked behind a subscription wall. So basically, for users who want ongoing personalized chats, the premium tier unlocks deeper customizations and more immersive experience. So on the positive side, Candy AI is very fun to use. It is fun to personalize and surprisingly natural in its conversations. So this is worth it if you're looking for playful, customizable AI chats and don't mind treating it as entertainment. So basically, that's it.